Hello, everyone. So after a calm morning, we have storms coming through in the afternoon. And I do think the storm threat is greater than the flood risk. Even though the level 2 technically does clip Nelson County, most of us are in the level 1 risk there, and that extends pretty far towards our southwest as well. And then our storm risk is still there throughout a lot of the afternoon, putting us in the level 1. We did have a little bit of level 2 coming into Pittsylvania and Halifax County, but as the storm has been updated and it's been a little bit clearer where it's going to move, that's further down towards the south. The level 3 is further away from us. That's good news for us, and that our weather is going to stay calmer than it could have. Right now, a lot of the worst weather is coming through Indiana and Illinois, and that's going to be the case through the next couple of hours. It really takes a while before this system, which is still kind of messy through Arkansas and Louisiana, coming through Mississippi and Alabama, forms up into the consistent rainfall that we are going to see later on for today. Once it arrives, that cold front is rather consistent through the later parts of today, and after that front comes through, we bring in a lot of cooler air from the northwest with plenty of wind. The temperatures actually don't take a huge hit for this weekend, but the winds are noticeable before our next low pressure system comes in. That one still hasn't quite made up its mind yet, but with the latest data that's coming and kind of the trend that we've been seeing, it keeps less and less moisture as it comes through our region. So right now we might get some little pieces of snow or even some showers, but it's not looking as robust as it was earlier on. Behind that, we do have some calm days ahead. I don't know that we're going to have very many of them, at least until we get until the end of next week. So try to enjoy Wednesday and Thursday while they're here. For today, most of the rain is going to accumulate further up towards our northeast in Pennsylvania, New York, and especially that eastern half of New England. For us, a lot of us stay under an inch of rainfall. That's most common with the higher accumulations in south side stretching up towards Roanoke. Then as you get into some of these higher elevations, the rain totals really start to drop off, which is good because we're pretty good on rain right now, continuing on what we had in December with what we've already had this month. Friday's temperatures are able to get pretty well above average. We're warming rather consistently, putting the afternoon into the 50s. On Saturday, though, it's a different story with more and more highs down into the 40s. Winds are going to be gusty once we get towards Saturday morning, some up towards 40 miles per hour, some towards 50 in the afternoon. Coming down in the evening, that's pretty standard, but it's still kind of gusty going through Sunday night with some up towards 30 miles per hour. We have more wind through Sunday afternoon. It really starts to ease off by 7 p.m. From that point on, we're not too windy into the start of next week, but we do keep on bringing colder air, putting us well below average for the midpoint of next week. It also looks like as we get towards that middle point and beyond that we're going to be a little bit on the dry side. The Climate Prediction Center keeps us on the below average side for rainfall once we get toward next Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A lot of our temperatures get into the 40s and 50s this afternoon and then stay in the 30s overnight and above 32, 30s at that. Roanoke's at 36, same thing in Danville. Pulaski's at 32. Not looking at a whole lot of freezing, probably some frost in the NRV, but not as much window scraping as you might have had to do over the last couple of days. Temperatures come down a little bit for both Saturday and Sunday, and we continue to cool as we get into the first part of next week. Lows will even be in the teens Tuesday night. We get some calmer weather by Wednesday and Thursday.